You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is h greater than 1.04999999999998. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 21/4 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Divide fraction for addition. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is h greater than 1.04999999999998.